Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a workspace in ClickUp using its powerful hierarchy system. Whether you're organizing your projects for the first time, restructuring your workflow, or you simply want your workspace to feel cleaner and more efficient, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Once the home page loads, look for the login button at the top right. If you prefer a quicker sign-in experience, go ahead and click Sign In with Google. It's fast, secure, and saves you from remembering another password. Choose your Google account, and you'll be logged in right away. Next, once you're inside your ClickUp dashboard, you'll notice this is your main hub where all your work comes together. To begin setting up your workspace, locate the Dashboard section. Click on it, and you'll have the option to create a new dashboard. This will serve as a high-level overview for your work, giving you a strong starting point for building out your hierarchy. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Now it's time to create spaces, which form the top layer of your ClickUp structure. On the left sidebar, look for the Spaces section and click the plus icon. Give your space a name that matches the type of work or team it represents. Spaces help define big categories in your workflow, making it easier to stay organized as you grow. Once your space is created, the next step is adding folders. These folders help you group multiple related projects inside the same space. Click the three-dot menu next to your space and select Create Folder. Name the folder clearly so you can identify it later. This small step makes a huge difference when managing several projects at once. Inside each folder, you'll want to create lists to organize tasks even further. Click the three-dot menu next to your folder and choose Create List. Give your list a meaningful name based on the type of tasks it will hold. Lists are perfect for breaking projects into manageable sections, helping you map out your workflow in a clean, structured way. After your list is ready, you can start adding tasks. Click Add Task, enter a descriptive task name, and include details in the description box. Clear descriptions help avoid confusion, especially when you're collaborating with teammates. Then, click Assignee to assign the task to the right team member, and set a due date by clicking Due Date. This ensures everyone knows exactly what needs to be done, and when. Once everything looks good, click Create Task to finalize it. The task will appear inside your list, ready for tracking, updating, and completing as part of your workflow. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up your ClickUp workspace hierarchy easily and efficiently, giving yourself a more organized and productive environment. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?